Starting live video.
Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Good evening and a warm welcome. Myself, Dr. Jessica Shah, an organic skin and hair care specialist. Today, we have organized this session especially during this pandemic to help you rejuvenate your skin and relax your mind, body, and soul. Like all other organs in our body, skin is also one of the important organs. In fact, I would say skin is the largest organ of our body. What we apply on our skin should be as nutritious and safe as what we eat. Caring for your skin will help you enhance your youthfulness. Like all other organs, we need to hydrate our skin. The natural healing powers of nature, along with the innate natural capacities of healing of our bodies, help us to become beautiful and look to our best. In this session, we are going to discuss about our age-old Ayurveda. All the remedies based in this session are on our Ayurvedic concepts. In other words, I would say these are our grandma's magic. Tried, tested, and proven. 100% effective with no harmful effects. During this session, we are going to discuss the home remedies with the help of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and pulses. Everything easily available in your kitchen. No need to pre-prepare things or to get engaged in difficult activities. Now, coming back to our topic. During the pandemic, we have been all locked in our houses. There has been a lot of negativity around us. And this is affecting our skin, our mind, and our body. All this is coming up as dullness on our face. So the first topic we start here is the dullness of our skin. Dull skin leads to negative vibes around us. To encounter this dullness, we start with the fruit session. I would request everyone to either take a note of these remedies so that you are not confused at the end of the session, or will be posting them soon. So starting with the first fruit of the day. Now there's a keynote to it. Whenever you select a fruit to apply it on your face, it should be in the ripe form. Now why ripe? Ripe fruits have enzymes in them. These enzymes help to activate your cells, cleanse your skin, and remove the dead skin cells. In a way, they give nutrition to your skin and increase the penetration power of your skin. So all the fruits, whatever we use, should be in a ripe form. Starting with the first fruit is papaya. To those who have just joined, we are starting with this fruit for dull skin. Now, the skin is divided into two parts. So one is a dry skin and one is an oily skin. So we'll be giving tips accordingly for both of them. For the dry skin, when we start with papaya. Okay. So take one slice of ripe papaya. Mash it with your hands. Make it smooth. Now when the fruit is ripe, it is very easy to mash it with your hands. Okay. Make it smooth. This smooth paste, apply it on your face. Now how to apply it? Okay. It should be massaged into your skin. This massage helps to activate your cells, increases your blood circulation, okay. And then this fruit penetrates in your skin. Now the key to massage. It should be inward, outward, inward, outward. This is the method of massaging. Okay, now when you massage with this method, you want to cover your entire face, your dark circles, your forehead, your T-zone, everything. So how long for this procedure? Say 5 to 7 minutes. Once you are done massaging for 5 to 7 minutes, you are going to allow the fruit to rest on your skin for another 7 minutes approximately. Now how do we do it? We have to wait till the time your skin is para-dry. Para-dry means you see wet patches on your skin, but from inside you feel dryness. This is the best time to meditate. I request you, please do not do any facial movements when you apply anything on your skin. This in turn leads to wrinkles. So now when it is para-dry, you can wash it off. Now two ways. You can either use lukewarm water or you can use your normal tap water. It depends on you. After you wash, you need to dab your skin. Please do not rub your skin with the napkin. Dab it nicely. Okay. Once it is dry, take a pea drop of moisturizer. I would repeat, a pea drop of moisturizer, and apply it on your face evenly. Now what does this moisturizer do? So this moisturizer creates a layer on your skin. Okay. Because of this, it will not allow the dirt to penetrate faster. In turn, it will also hydrate your skin. So after every fruit or every face pack you apply, when you wash it off, you need to apply a moisturizer on your face. Next, going towards an oily skin, using the same fruit. So for oily skin, again we take one slice of ripe papaya. Now to this slice, add 1 to 2 drops of lemon. Okay, blend it with your hands. Okay. No need to put it in a grinder. Please avoid that. Okay. Blend it with your hands. When the fruit is ripe, it is very simple to make it into a smooth paste. Same procedure, massage it on your face. Inward, outward, inward, outward. Keep it for 5-7 minutes and wash it off. This is for oily skin. The same thing what we have discussed about the oily skin can be used with people having acne or pimple complaints. Now there is a difference between pimples and acne, so I am specifying it. This we'll be discussing in our next session. Today is our basic session. So going ahead with the next fruit, the fruit of the season. Yeah, mangoes. I guess everybody loves to eat the mangoes. So the amount of nutrition it gives internally is the same amount it gives externally on your face too. Mangoes are filled with rich iron and folic acid. Now this helps to rejuvenate your skin and give an extremely good glow on your face. Mangoes are used as a scrubber to your skin. When you scrub mangoes, especially the peel of the mango, it helps to remove the dead skin cells and the settled dirt in your skin. So how to use it now, right? So going ahead, this formula will be same for both dry skin as well as for oily skin. We used to have to use mangoes in a natural form only. No need to mix anything with it. So very simple procedure. Peel the skin of the mango. Okay. Now when you peel the skin, just take a small amount of pulp in it. Take that skin and rub it on your face. Now you need to rub that skin on your face till the time it becomes thin. So basically you are scrubbing your face. Same movements, inward, outward, inward, outward. Scrub it for almost 5 to 7 minutes till the time your skin becomes thin. Try to cover your entire face and even your neck. All the fruits what we are going to use, you can use it till your neck. Now mangoes also help in pigmentation. So in this season of sunburn and pigmentation, mango is the king of the fruits. So coming back, keep that mango pulp on your face for 7 to 10 minutes. The same procedure. Let it para dry and then wash it off. For the newcomers, para dry is a procedure in which you see wet patches on your skin and you feel dryness from inside. This is the right time to wash your face. Now for the mangoes, you can either use lukewarm water or again a normal tap water. But it is more advisable to use lukewarm water because it will help in deep cleansing. Alright, dab your face with a napkin and apply a pea drop of moisturizer. Now going towards our vegetable section. Vegetables are a good toners to our skin. They tone our skin and cleanse our skin. So they should be used in the first part of the day. Now simple vegetables which are readily available in your kitchen, like say cucumber. So again, when we go with cucumber for dry skin and for oily skin, there is a same toner. So let's go ahead with the procedure. Okay, 1 cucumber, 1 potato and 1 tomato. Peel the skin of cucumber and potato. Wash them thoroughly. Keep it in a grinder. Okay, grind all the 3 ingredients. Make a smooth paste of it. Put this paste into an ice cube. Turn into an ice cube. Okay, allow it to settle. Take these ice cubes and rub it on your face. One ice cube for one person. Okay. Till the time you use the entire ice cube, keep rubbing it on your face. Same procedure, allow it to settle and wash it off when it is para dry. Now, the best thing about this is you can make it for a couple of days. You can use the same ice cube. Okay. For acne skin, when you are using cucumber for acne skin, it should be the sole vegetable. Convert your cucumber pulp into ice cubes and rub it on your face. This is specially for acne and pimple skin. Going ahead with the next vegetable. Next comes tomatoes. Available in everybody's house. Right? Now, tomato is a bleaching agent. Many of us may be using them on our skin too. But I'll be teaching you the right quantity to use it. So we have to use tomatoes as a scrubber to our skin. Now for dry skin. For dry skin, we need to take tomato pulp, or we can take slices of tomato and just scrub it on our skin. Just a simple scrub. The procedure is same for all fruits and vegetables. When we use oily skin, for oily skin, in 1 spoon of tomato pulp, say a tablespoon, you need to add 2 to 3 drops of lemon. Along with that, a small drop of honey. Mix it well and massage it on your skin. These massages help you to relax your mind. Now, when you massage your skin, in turn, it creates a positive vibration around you. It relaxes your mind, it cleanses your skin, as well as it helps to give nutrition to your skin. And that's the most important part. Please do not speak or make any facial movements whenever you use anything on your face, be it vegetables, fruits, or any kind of face packs. Alright, going again ahead, we start with our herbs section. Now, seasonal herbs. So we select mint and neem. So for the dry skin, we start with mint. Again, a very simple procedure. Take some mint leaves, soak them in water. Allow the dirt to settle down. Clean them properly and grind them into a paste. Turn this paste into ice cubes. And you can just apply it on your face. These herbs have an antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. Now, when you are suffering from oily skin or pimple-based skin, you have to use the pulp of these herbs, that is the paste, basically. You don't have to convert them into ice cubes. Apply the paste onto your face. Now here the procedure is different. Okay? You have to dab this paste into your skin. Please do not massage or rub it into your skin. It will lead to marks. Okay? Especially on the pimple covering areas, please dab it softly. Dab it for 7 to 10 minutes and allow it to rest for another 5 minutes. After that, wash your face thoroughly. Same procedure you can follow with neem. Now there's a difference between neem and mint. So neem is basically to be used when you have redness on your skin, when you have marks on your skin, when you have ample amount of pimples on your skin. Okay, mint is a cooler, whereas neem helps to beat the inflammation. So you have to select the herb very wisely. Mint will help you for cleansing and toning of your skin, as well as it will have an amount of antibacterial properties. But for acne skin, to kill the bacteria, we always start with neem. All these things, say it fruits, vegetables or herbs, you need to use at a stretch for a week to 10 days to see an amazing result in your skin. You can follow using these fruits further in your life too. Any questions, any queries, please keep on posting. I'll be answering them soon. So going ahead towards our last section, pulses. So now pulses, simple things like rice. Now rice is such a pulse that is readily available. So simple thing, and for instant glow. Pulses are generally used for instant glow. Very simple. We make a combination of fruit, vegetable and a pulse for a elegant glow on your face. So for this procedure, we need to soak our rice overnight. Take about 2 tablespoons of rice. Soak it in water overnight. Next morning, in a grinder, put this rice, almost half of cucumber and half of papaya. Make it a paste. Apply it on your face and soft massage. As we have pulse in it, we cannot massage it very hardly. Soft massage, very soft, and a slow movement. Okay, massage it only for 2 to 3 minutes. Allow it to settle on your face for another 5 to 7 minutes and wash it off. Now you need to make it fresh every day to use it. You cannot store this paste. Okay, so I have a question regarding dark circles. So answering your question, ma'am, for dark circles, you just need to take either a slice of potato or a slice of tomato. To start with it, massage it softly below your eyes. Now, there's a keynote. Never massage it on to your eyes, above your eyes. Okay, whatever you do, it should be below your eyes. Soft massage. Massage it for 5-7 minutes. Allow it to rest till it para dries and wash it off. This is the start towards working towards dark circles. This is the first step. After this, you can start using soft bleaching agents like a mixture of tomato and lemon to it. Now if you are taking half tomato, add 1 drop of lemon to it. Same thing, massage it and wash it off. Okay, any other questions? Alright, you can post me your questions on my personal contact details, which I'll be posting soon. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. So these are some of the tips which you can follow during this lockdown period to have a good relaxing day and a vibrant skin. This will help to build positivity around you and help you to relax for some time. Thank you so much for watching this. One more question to go. For sunburn and for black patches. So for this, ma'am, you can use the papaya thing what we have discussed, and also you can follow the mango procedure. You can use both the fruits together, one during the day and one during the evening, according to your convenience. So once again, thank you everybody for being here and watching it patiently. To end the session, a goodbye from me. Thanks a lot. Look beautiful the nature's way. Thank you.